fellow business owners, leaders. I'm Kelly Ray Tamaki, founder and head coach at TMH Business Coaching and Consulting, and we're actually the best reviewed business coaches and consultants in the country. I don't say that to brag, I say it so that you know we get results. We help clients achieve their goals over and over and over. On June 26th and 27th, we're doing our next annual strategic planning workshop, which is me teaching and helping you create a customized strategic plan. This means it will be your best year ever in business and life. We will work through the strategic plan and create a unique selling proposition that is inimitable, that works for you, and also, most importantly, we're going to be teaching you financial mastery, high ROI effective marketing, and inspirational leadership that gets people to hit their goals. You can make so much more money, more profit, more dividends, and take more time off. I'll teach you exactly how I've done that and exactly how to have your best year in business and life over and over and over again, okay? Make more money, take more time off, or pick your own goals, okay? I will teach you what you need to know, and it will be hands-on, one-on-one. It's a very small group. It's June 26th and 27th, wonderful hotel for a great rate. You'll just be there for 2 days, 11 to 6, so you have time in the morning if you need to deal with anything. And then we also have one-on-one consulting slots available Wednesday night, Thursday night, and Friday. I think we have some left on each of those days. It's happening soon. I know it's short notice, and I'm sorry about the short notice, but it is so worth it. Attend this event, work with me on your plan for the year, work with me on your marketing, your finances, and your leadership, and achieve your goals. It will be the best year of your life and business, and you will make so much more money than if you stayed working in your business on the 26th and 27th, okay? You gotta get out of working in your business and work on your business, because that makes the biggest difference. Okay, we have limited spots available. We keep it small on purpose so that I can workshop with you, my team and I. We can come around and work with each company to make sure that they get their things right. And there'll be sort of a mastermind aspect where all of the amazing business owners attending will help each other. And guys, remember that business can be better no matter where you're at. If you don't have like the dream ideal business that you wanted, you don't take enough time off, you don't make enough money, business can be better. Let us show you how, okay? I cannot wait to help you create your plan for the next year, and even more than that, I cannot wait to hear about your best year ever. Click below to sign up and for more information, okay guys? I'll see you on the 26th. I'm so excited.